My name is Jeff Miller. I have Parkinson's disease. I'm also the CEO of Pilda LLC, and my mission is to put a Pilda into the hands of everyone who needs one. So as a result, I use 25 different things, prescription drugs, vitamins, supplements, etc. 45 to 50 pills a day, every day of my life. I needed a way to be able to sort pills for myself, and I figured, well, if that's true, there are probably other people that have the same problem. I'm not the only person in the world with Parkinson's, and there are people who are far worse off than I am. So I started thinking about a better way, and I thought about it for about 6 months, and I came up with this basic design here. So I looked on the internet, and I found Edmonds College, and the people here at the Makerspace were friendly, helpful, and I came down, I think, on a Saturday. Met the staff, they were great, and showed me how to use the machine. Was always there for advice, and just really wanted me to succeed. Ever since then, they've been huge supporters of this. For some reason, it grabbed their imagination. It's kind of cool looking, you know? It's got all those different colors in it too, which makes it fun. If it's not fun, it's not worth doing.